Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, it was clear yesterday ukuthi vele uRatha at the back of his mind he has actually convicted these guys. Ubusy nje noNtanzi uRatha, and then he'll be acting like, oh no, I misunderstood you. No, he makes up those things and then defense tells him, especially Mshololo and advocates Charles Mnisi, stood up for Ntanzi and they were like, bruh, please. And then was involved on no accuse number 3. What's no accuse number 3? So. Hi, uRatha. Oh my gosh, like Babalo. I'm so done with him. Right. Give it guys. And I don't have issues with uRatha like that. I just feel like uRatha mdala for this case. They could get a judge who's 55 years old. All right, they know what they're doing. Just as much as 55 years experience when it's not helping us experience. You always lashing out in that court. Busy pointing out on Ntanzi. When Ntanzi, you say, Ntanzi, please, I didn't say that. Please stop. Like, when did I say that? Yes, I'm sure now it's just like I'm over, but this is not right. You know? Yabona Obrigadiya Kininda, guys, especially with Ntanzi, really made a mistake. And Ntanzi, guys, is very vocal around the fact that he is praying about it. He's not playing with anyone. He's told Ubaloyi, actually told the court. And Joshua says, I don't care what decision you've made to convict us, but Mina, gets does. And Abenziba, all of this will pay for it. Let's make that clear. Was Otubalu, you threatening me? You know, Dr. Siband, Uron. They were like, you threatening? Oh, boy, he was like, I'm not threatening. Tell how I feel on it. We are allowed to feel however we want to feel. So I'm just like, listen here. Flames again. You'll see. Gapa, when he was arrested Ntanzi on the 16th of June 2020, they were looking for someone else. Anything. I decided. Fine, go for Ntuli. He was just like, you are around Vele anyways. And then he wanted to try and get other guys. But that is not the first guys that took Kininda arrested. He arrested 3 more before he arrested these 5. So Yabonuguti was trying to get people who have Amacala Valley already. Abahambisana na something. Brigadier Kininda guys has messed up big time with Zungu's lies. And then he got Zungu. Zungu was like, oh, we can connect. We can force them actually to connect. And Gubengati, they actually know each other. They came to say to Tomizoda's house, Umakumal. So please, that's in land. Guys, about this thing is a mess, like in another level you've never seen. Ubabe Funela, some other guys born, not Ntanzi. At some stage, Brigadier Kininda was looking for some Siyanda guy. Siyanda Butelis. Guys. Zamoguhle Mbata is one of the people that were actually arrested for Sanzomi was unaliving. He went on to come out of jail and went on to want to sue the state. Guys, about Brigadier Kininda bayenza into yabo. But ngiyakutshela sebefike egcineni manje. And Ntanzi have told them already that you will regret what you've done. Without mincing his words. I think Baloyi is defeated now if he can say things like, Kebo, you were arrested for possession of firearm. It wasn't because you unalive sense. So why is Mtarabantu there for the past 6 years? Ngalabantu la baba bosho icala likasenzo miyo bengakazi bazi mam unalive Mtarabantu. Futhi ngasithi senkingeni. They are in trouble Baloyi. And his entourage Brigadier Kininda and Brigadier's entourage Mukhula no Mukhan. Nalo who late my pen. They definitely in trouble, those people, for doing that to the 5 accused. Arresting them for something that they didn't do. We're not giving up. They are going to be arrested. Sergeant Faninko, people are just gonna be arrested now. Now no charge to up. I need to Zulin Dabazaki for night, Upis Lapan, couple Papis Bamboos, when I get Katie Mulifu, Ukatiso, this giving SNJ. That is attached to 10 unaliving of people when Upisnalo Yumuntu. Are you like serious right now? Akusitshela kahle ukuthi lo muntu, how did he get bail?
Ntanzi's intention is to clear his name and expose Brigadier Kininda Nozungu, who brought us where we are right now. Because it's just like, even that case, Nongom, I don't know anything about it. I don't have a case in Nongom to this day. And on top of that,
I believe that when somebody comes to you as a police officer, they will introduce maybe introduce themselves as Bongane, they are coming from Nongoma. Not that they will just come and say, hey, we are looking for you. Is that introducing yourself in that manner? That is not introducing yourself in Zulu, my lord.
Now, of the two police officers, Sergeant Mohani and Sergeant Mabena, who was more stout between the two?
Kulaba babili ke uMohani noMabhena ubandeka nomzimba nje omkhulu.
Umuntu onomzimba omkhulu, uMkhana kana umzimba, uMkhana ondlekile ngapha nesiso ondlekile mncane ngezathu. uMabhena ube nomkhaba naye futhi ufiti.
Mokhane is bigger up, my lord, and then smaller down, and then Mabhena unjani?
uMabhena unomkhaba naye uyambona umuntu owakwa-gym.
Mabhena also had a big tummy. You can see that he used to exercise, my lord.
Masithiwa sikhuluma umuntu omkhulu, umuntu bamkhulu ngapha nangapha akukho ukuthi ngaba mkhulu ngedla ngibe mncane ngezathu. Omdaka mkhulu.
If we are talking about somebody being big, we are referring to both up and down is big, not only one part of the body is big.
Because your evidence was that after they had entered your room, they asked for your identity document. You also asked for the identity document, and you say only the well-built one produced his identity document was Sergeant Mohani. He said he's with Sergeant Mabena. That was your evidence.
Ufakazi bakho ke uye wathi ke ngale nkathi ke sebafika ke roomini lakho ke bayabafuna ke i-ID yakho wena futhi wasethi ke lo wakheke kahle ke le uMohane uyena lo yakhuluma nawe.
Owakheke kahle.
Well built, wakhekile nje unomzimba.
Because enkantolo mina kuze i-ID yami iphume kuba ngigama likaSiyanda. Ngoba bengangenzi ngoba bengibiza ngoSiyanda i-ID yami angangikhiphe esikhwameni kuyi-wallet ngihlala ku-wallet wami.
My lord, the reason why my ID was produced is because we're just arguing about this name Siyanda. If there were no issues about the name, I would not have taken my ID.
Ngoba futhi mabengena endlini bathi kimi sifuna wena kodwa siyaphuma sikhuluma phandle asikhulumeni la endlini sikhulumela phandle phambi kwe-RDP.
And when they got to the house, they said they were looking for me. We moved out of the house and had a conversation outside the house, the RDP house.
Yes, but the point that we are canvassing now, you said Sergeant Mohani did not introduce himself, but here we are quoting your evidence where you said Sergeant Mohani produced his identification and he said he was with Sergeant Mabena.
Kodwa ke into sisho ukuthi ke wena uye wathi uSergeant Mohane ke azange ke azazibike ukuthi ubani, kodwa efakazini bakho uye wathi uMohane ke uye wazibika waze washo ukuthi ke uhamba no Sergeant Mabena.
Sesiphandla ngithi hayi endlini eRomeni.
When we're now outside, not inside.
Lokho ngiyavuma sesiphandla hayi endlini.
I am agreeing to the fact that that happened when we're outside the room, not inside the
Mayithi
room.
umuntu ukose kade ngeliphoyisa akafake i-uniform yokuqala ayikho into ayiphethe ngesandla kungikhombisa nani iphepha ngizokubopha ngalo naye license yami lezo license ngiyibona phandle hayi eRomeni.
My lord, when somebody comes and introduces themselves as a police official, firstly, they are in civilian clothes and they are not producing any ID. The ID, I only got to see the ID when we are now outside, when he was introducing himself. Station again, ngiyengimnika amalungelo akhe abhaliwe phansi.
As per Exhibit LL1, which we will get to in due course.
Phepha leli nalo buwo ubufakazi obukhona la enkantolo ufike umbuso makuloku isikhathi ke nalo bazofika kulona.
Iphepha lama-rights
Lama-rights.
anginika lona lasesilapha ePitori police station.
Are you referring when we were at police station in Pretoria?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cha basanginika iphepha lekho iphepha anginika lona.
No, he did not give me any paper.
Yes, we're still referring to your evidence in the trial within a trial. On the 8th of February 2024, page 12, your response as to whether were your rights explained, you said you cannot recall. Then counsel, Mr. Ramasipila asked you, for example, did Mabena or Mohani advise you that you have got the right to remain silent? Your response was as follows: my lord, I do not remember because there was this language barrier between myself and Mohani. We could not understand each other. The person that I could at least not completely, my lord, understand was the other person, because he ended up telling me that he was in the Ndebele, which was closer to isiZulu.
Sisaqhubekela manje sithabheka ufakazi bakho lobo abuthola le nkantolo nge-trial within a trial ngomhla ka-8 February ngo-2024. Lobo ufakazi butholakala-ke ku-page number 12. Ngale nkathi-ke ummeli kumzane Ramasipili-ke kubuza ukuthi amalungelo akho-ke uye wachazelwa wena, wathi-ke wena wasakhumbuli-ke waseqhubeka athi Ramasipili koMabhena-ke noMohane-ke baye bakutshela ukuthi-ke nalilungelo lokuthi-ke ungakhetha ukuthula ungasho lutho. Wena wathi-ke wasakhumbuli ngoba-ke bekunenkinga nje yenkulumo-ke beningazwani-ke ngenkulumo, kodwa khona omunye umuntu bekakhona ungathi bomuzwa kancane lo wathi-ke ukhulumisa iNdebele ngoba isiNdebele naso sicishe sifane-ke nasesiZulu.
Yeah.
Yes.
So umtshela kanjani amalungelo esingezwani ngenkulumo?
So how does he then tell me my rights if there's a language barrier?
But the proposition is the following, Mr. President. Today you are maintaining that your rights were not explained, but in the trial, within the trial, you said you could not remember as to whether your rights were explained or not.
Mnumzane Ntanzi-ke esikushoyo noma esikubekayo ukuthi-ke ngale nkathi-ke kwenziwa-ke i-trial within a trial, uye wathi-ke wena awusakhumbuli ukuthi-ke amalungelo akho watshelwa wona, kodwa manje mase siqhubeke-ke namhlanje uthe wena awuzange uzutshelwe-ke amalungelo wakho.
Azange bangitshela amalungelo esengifike ngawezwa nalapha ecourt.
Ngikuphile.
Azange bangitshela amalungelo engifike ngawezwa lapha ecourt.
They never told me the rights that I heard of here in court.
Ukuthi ngine right yokuthula ne right ukusikhethela ilawyer engithandayo.